young girl, I really knew exactly what I wanna be, what I wanna be, what I wanna be, what I wanna be. And as the real world comes to its feet to shake my hand and greet, with calmness and eloquence, never tired or in distress, what I'm supposed to be, what I try to be, what I thought I'd be, but I'll never be.